here we have the globe. That's the globe. And in the center of the globe, going vertically, is a big chunk of land called the red line, right here. And this goes all the way across. Circle. It circles all the way across the globe. This one's called the red line. Also now, going horizontally all the way across is a body of water that's known as the Grand Line. And this is where the magic kind of happens. And this is the place where One Piece resides. So it's here. This is just, by the way, this is all ocean. This is the one big piece of chunky land. Just to let you know. Now, the Grand Line is also separated into two sections, and it's separated by the red line. This first half is called Paradise. And this is where everybody starts the Grand Line adventures if you're a pirate, basically. And this other half is where I'm presuming the One Piece resides, because it's the end point for the Grand Line. And this place is called the New World. Now, this is the Grand Line, and these four chunky pieces of ocean are the four major seas. And there are, you get the North Blue, East Blue, West Blue, and South Blue. So by now you must be wondering, Tim, this is pretty stupid. Why doesn't these people in these blue oceans just sail up or down to the Grand Line? And especially people here in North Blue and West Blue, you can just sail up to the New World. Why bother going through all this? Well, to answer that, you're stupid, because the Grand Line is surrounded by two seas known as the calm belt. So what the calm belt is just like it says, it's a calm belt. It's very easy waters, there's no wind, there's no waves of any kind, and also it's surrounded by giant sea monsters called sea kings. So you can imagine if you're a ship going by wind, you can't really go anywhere, and then sea kings pop out of nowhere and they eat you alive. So basically, if you want to go down here, you have to fight these giant sea kings, and you're pretty much guaranteed death. So that's why nobody goes up or down to the Grand Line, except Marines, certain pirates with special technology or special things, but that's for another time. There's too much stuff to talk about right now. As I said before, the pirates have to go up a mountain. What the hell does that mean? So right here, at this point, is a mountain called Reverse Mountain. And this is typically the way every pirate enters into the Grand Line, Paradise, the first part of it. So the way it works is that they go up the mountain and they exit at one point. So what that means is if you're from East Blue, you go in here, you go up the mountain, and then you leave Paradise. You go to South Blue, you go up here, and then you exit out the same path. West Blue, same thing. You go in there, get out here. North Blue, you go up the mountain, exit this one point. So basically, if you can think about it, it's like a intersection in a one-way street. So the Grand Line's a one-way street, and you enter and you just keep on going. And in here, in the Grand Line, and in the other blues, there's just, a bunch of islands, a bunch of islands just dotted across. You got some islands here, you got some big chunky lands here, all around. Looks like a kid with bad acne. But yeah, my producer just made a great point. He said, why can't you just jump off the mountain? First of all, it's a giant mountain. You can't just jump off a mountain. That's stupid. Second of all, the reason is it's that these upward points where they go up, the waters are very intense. So it's like a weird water raft, rapid waters, but except it's going up. So basically you get forced zoop up, and then you get kind of shot out. So you can't really go zoop, oh screw this, I'm gonna whoop, jump out here. Like that's not happening. It's not happening. You think it might happen, but it's not gonna happen. That is the globe of One Piece. This is how the world works. I hope this makes sense. Please comment down below if it made sense, or comment down if it didn't make sense for you.